Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to put Kia Forte back seats down. First, locate the two release levers positioned on the top edge of each rear seat back. Pull one lever firmly upwards to unlock that section of the seat. Before pushing the seat down, make sure your front seats are moved forward enough to provide ample clearance. This prevents any obstruction during the folding process. Once unlocked, gently push the seat back forward and down into the cargo area. It should lay flat, creating an extended loading surface. Take a moment to ensure that the seatbelt isn't trapped underneath the folded seat, as this could cause damage or prevent proper relatching. Repeat these steps for the other rear seat section if you need maximum space. With both rear seats folded, you now have a significantly larger cargo area. You can further optimize this space by adjusting the front seats slightly forward if needed to accommodate longer items. When loading, always place heavier items first and distribute weight evenly. This expanded capacity is perfect for groceries, sports equipment, or even small furniture pieces. To return the seats to their upright position, simply lift each seat back firmly until you hear a distinct click. This sound confirms that the seat is securely latched and safe for passengers. Always double-check that both seatbelts are easily accessible and untangled before anyone sits there. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.